In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do I set my QuickBooks Online to allocate invoice. And first, let's clarify how allocation works in QuickBooks Online. By default, when you record a customer payment, QuickBooks applies it to the oldest open invoice for that customer. That's helpful for keeping balances current, but you're not locked into it. You can override the default and manually apply a payment to a specific invoice, split one payment across multiple invoices, or even post a partial payment to just one invoice. Before you start applying payments, make sure your payment features are enabled. Open Settings, go to Account and Settings, and then Payments. Confirm that Accept Online Payments is turned on and that a deposit to bank account is selected. Save your changes. This setup ensures that any money you receive can be tracked to the right bank account and later reconciled without confusion. Now create the invoices you want to allocate against. Click New and choose Invoice. Enter the customer, date, products or services, and the amounts. Then save or send. It's perfectly fine to have multiple open invoices for the same customer. Allocation is exactly what helps you manage those balances cleanly. When a customer pays, go to New and select Receive Payment. Choose the customer and QuickBooks will display all open invoices for them. If the payment fully covers the oldest invoice, QuickBooks will apply it there automatically. For a partial payment or to split the amount across several invoices, type the exact dollar amounts you want applied to each line. Select the payment method and the deposit to account, so the money lands in the right place, then save and close. A quick tip, match the payment date to the date funds were received, and add a reference number if you have one for clean audit trails. If you use bank feeds, QuickBooks can speed this up. Go to Banking and for review, when an incoming payment appears, click Match so QuickBooks links it to the correct invoice or invoices. Always review the suggested match and allocation amounts before confirming. This reduces manual entry and helps avoid misapplied payments. To verify your work, head to Sales, then Customers, and open the customer's profile. Review the transaction list to see how payments were applied. For a deeper check, run the customer balance detail report and confirm that open balances and paid amounts look right. If something isn't allocated correctly, open the original received payment record, adjust the amounts